What is shear force? Shear force is force transverse to the beam at a given section tending to cause it to shear at that particular section. Today, we are going to determine shear force variation at cut section due to variations of loads and load positions. First, we will change the load by increasing it at 100 gram, 200 gram, and 300 gram in total at one position. Note that all length and weight in diagram are in millimeters and gram respectively. The original experiment setup is as shown in the diagram. The cut section XX is between support B and C. Digital meter display is to show the shear force at cut section. Loads are also prepared with hangers and mesh. Calibration is also important to be reset to 0 for accurate data reading. Three loads of 100 gram each are prepared as in the diagram. For simulation purpose, we use hangers as the pivots, a metal acts as the beam, and digital meter display is given data values. The loads are placed at 3 positions as shown in the diagram. There are 3 cases in total. P1 100 mm left from B, P2 140 mm, and P3 330 mm, both at the right of support B. The first objective is to determine the shear force at cut section from only one position, which is at P1. Initially, 100 gram is placed at 100 mm left from B and 0.2 Newton is observed. Next, repeat the experiment with 200 gram and 300 gram at the same position and observe the shear force. 0.4 Newton and 0.6 Newton are recorded at the display respectively. After this, we will determine the shear force at 3 different positions with the same load at position P1, P2, and P3. The first load to be placed is 200 gram at 100 mm left from support B and 0.2 Newton shear force is observed. Then, the same load is placed at position P2, which is 140 mm right from the pivot B. 0.6 Newton is recorded. The negative symbol in the display shows that the shear force is acting in opposite direction of the usual shear force. Lastly, the 200 gram load is placed at position P3, 380 mm away at the right of support B. 0.3 Newton shear force is observed. Please remember, the shear force recorded is at cut section XX. That's all from me. Thank you for watching my presentation. Goodbye.